In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the issue of not receiving the Supercell ID verification code on your iPhone. It can be frustrating when you're trying to log in or enable account protection, and the verification code doesn't come through. But don't worry, there are a few simple steps you can take to resolve this problem. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Mail. Tap on it. After that, tap Accounts, and then make sure the email address associated with your Supercell ID is active. To do that, tap on it, and then toggle on the switch next to the Mail option to enable it. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app, open up the Mail app, and find the email containing the Supercell ID verification code. If you still haven't received the verification code, you have to turn off any VPNs you are currently connected to on your iPhone. To do that, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General, and then scroll down to the bottom and tap VPN and Device Management. Tap VPN, and then toggle off the switch over there to disable the VPN. If none of these work, then you have to contact Supercell support and tell them about your issue. To do that, open up any Supercell game. For example, I'm going to open up Clash of Clans. Tap on the Settings button at the bottom right, and then tap on the Help and Support button at the bottom left. After that, tap on the Account option, and then tap on the Chat icon at the top right. Then tap on the Leave a Message button. Now, you'll have the ability to chat with automated support. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.